50% Cloud Artists Lounge Restaurant by Luo Xu plus CCD in Mile, China. The restaurant is situated in a building named 50% Cloud, which follows the design languages of red brick architectural complexes designed by Luo Xu, while at the same time subtly incorporating Art Deco style to maintain its own unique identity. Without a single steel bar or nail, this utopia, built on red soil, is completely composed of local red bricks and blends into nature. The building looks like a mega art installation and half of a cloud that undulates in the sky. It features solid facades, curved contours, and volumes set at staggering heights. CCD pays attention to the design of the building entrance in every project. This one is no exception. Inspired by the terrace in Yunnan province, CCD ingeniously took advantage of the architectural form and gave it a new look. The interior space extends the natural curves of the exteriors, characterized by large-span arches and lofty ceilings. Round openings are carved out on roofs in order to let daylight filter in. Natural light sources throughout the building are evenly distributed, and people in it can feel the interplay of daylight and cloud shadows. All design elements are arranged based on light and under skylights. Natural light tells the passage of time throughout the day and creates diversified spatial experiences. CCD team extracts the curved lines of the building and applies them to the entire interior space. Every article in the space is an artwork. The curved steel panel at the entrance leads guests to enter the interior while adding an artistic touch to space and evoking imagination as well. Besides, the thriving greenery inside enlivens the dining atmosphere. Natural light casts onto rough bricks, which are well matched with soft lighting and tasteful furnishings, together producing an environment that encourages guests to interact with space and nature. The overall interior design turns to dine into fantastic multi-sensory experiences.